Hey, what's up, fans? So, I just want to show you some of my new friends. Not really. So, right now, while I am outside, it's still sunny. See the little guy right now? That's my pet chick. And those are my other pet chicks that you see walking around. There's even one right there. So, I am out in my backyard again for my backyard tour. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so this is my brother's bike. Right there. And over here is his tricycle. That is the red car. That, not really sure if where I can pick that up. That is my brother Trey. Trey, say hi. He's on his tablet. He likes to shut up for some reason. So, this is our swing set. Here, I'll try to, he's mad at his tablet. Oh, wait. So, this is my little sister's swing. This is my brother's swing. So, my brother's swing is red with green straps. I know the straps look blue, but they're actually green. And this... Hold on. So, this is my little sister's swing. It is blue with blue straps. See? And this is my swing. You're all... Sorry. So, that is my brother's swing. Yeah. He's playing with those buffers. Oh, wait. I can get it zoom in. Those are my 2 ducks. That's right, people. I have ducks. And I'm one of the only people that has them in my neighborhood. Here's one of my chicks. She's so cute. So you're going through the grass. Sorry that the camera's a little bit blurry. So these are 2 of my chicks. They're really cute. See that house right there? That is my friend's house. Her name is Sydney. If you look over there in the background, right there is a tent. Bye-bye, birdie. Woohoo! Sorry, guys. I got distracted by the bird. So, over there are 2 of my friends' house. We don't actually play together or anything, but we do say hi to each other. And this is our kitchen. Sorry, my brother and sister like to knock things over. A lot. So this is our slide. Right there is our slide. Trey, go down the slide. No. Put Power Ranger down. That is our little hangout right there. Over here, I'll show you our chicken coop. So this is our chicken coop. I know it looks really bad, right? Sorry. Yeah, and this is what we have for a temporary pond for our ducks. Yeah. I will show you the inside. So right now I'm inside my chicken coop. Those are their houses. That's a hangout. Now my chickens are just babies. Here's the ground. I'd like to go on the stick. Says the ram. And here's outside. And I am now stepping out of the chicken coop. Because I'm not... This is our shed where all of our cars and trucks and all that aren't kept at. This is our other shed. Oh, there's some more chicks. Heroes. They're over there. I know what that looks like really far away, but that's actually really close. It's just my tablet that I'm using to film this, so it makes things look really far away. Do you hear them chirping? They're so cute. That chick right there is called Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy! Hello, Fluff! Right now she's picking at some grass. Look at her sisters. Here, I'll try to get it. So, our tan ones, I'm not sure if that's tan. I think it's more like a bronze or something. Let me know down in the comment section below. If you do not know how to comment, there is a section with my that says comment at the very end of the line of videos. That was like a toy tray. This is not my chalk right there. That is my neighbor's chalk. Here are all of our bikes, tubes, pretty much everything. And here's our merry-go-round. Yep. Okay, so over here is the table and stuff again. This is like some kind of preschool toy, but we don't use it because it has spikes.
Hey, stop!
No say that. Okay, hold on, wait, let me back up so we can so you can see it fully. That is our full swing set. Hold on, wait. Let me back up a bit. That is our full swing set. For now, I'm just showing the backyard and stuff in it. But if you want me to show you guys the front yard, hey Trey, can I come up there with you? Okay. No say. So we all tell him no say. Tell him no say that whenever he says shut up. It's like no saying that. Okay. So my brother's autistic, so like we have to speak the way he speaks. Well, okay. Here's the inside of my house. This is my kitchen. See everything? Right here's the fridge. Ooh, wow. Okay, that's right there. That is how you spell my name. Annika. Tomorrow's the 26th. And, okay. Here's our microwave. Some medicine. This is like what we have for an oven right now. I know you see an oven right here, but it like is broken. So if we want pizza, that's our option. Our literally only option. So, right now I'm doing live from my house. Okay. Guys.
What are you doing?
Tell me that's not cute.
Please do not walk around the table like that on the chairs. Hi, baby guy.
So these are 3 cakes. I get to choose in between them for my birthday. But I'm going to be choosing this one. Right there is Pinkie Pie. That is Pinkie Pie. And My Little Pony surprise thing. As you can see, my mom has very nicely decorated the table.
What are you doing?
YouTube Live. Not actually on YouTube, though.
No.
Hello!
Yeah, listen. I don't want you putting anything on fucking YouTube or anything like that.
Okay.
Not of our house, do you understand?
Okay.